Hi guys, my name is Supershiya. Look at my name. Ta-da!
Okay, what is this?
It's an Henry
Henry what?
vacuum cleaner.
Okay. What does it do?
It can use on the carpet. And we have a floor.
Wooden floor. Oh yeah, that suits us.
Hello.
Hello.
And look how long it is.
Wow. So where is all these things now?
In this box.
In this box.
So let me open it because this is my favorite bit.
Open it. So what do we need?
Scissors, and we'll just do like that.
So shall we say to our friends that they need to be careful with the scissors?
Yeah, you have to be careful with the scissors.
Ask your mom and dad.
If you're using the scissors. Right?
Yeah.
I don't need to ask my mom and dad because these are my safety scissors. Come on. Why don't you walk?
Wow, and look at this.
So,
Ta-da!
open. Stay like that, thanks.
Wow, what is this?
Oh my days, what on earth is
I
this thing?
think this is
Henry.
the bag.
Instructions. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna get you in.
Okay, one at a time now.
Give me a sweet.
This.
It's where you know you have vacuum cleaner, guys. You know you have a vacuum cleaner. You go like this. With that thing, with that strap.
Okay, we'll put everything on a side and see.
Oh my! Oh my!
Oh, I think we need to, it's like puzzle bits, isn't it? So we put all the things here. Then we're gonna see the manual.
Henry!
Oh, hi Henry, you're hiding there. Oh, another puzzle bit here.
Good.
There's something else in there, yeah.
I have a little hat, but it's still good for me.
Each
Mom,
other,
I
okay?
can do this best. Hi guys, look, guys, where is Henry's face? I can't see it anywhere.
Let's find.
I found it.
Ah, that's the cute Henry. Oh.
Ow!
Ow. Soon, let's check what this do. Okay.
Mom, I think I know.
Look at this. Look at this. We pull, and what does this do? Check. Ooh. So slow. So when we do the vacuuming, and then once we are finished, we want to tidy all these wires up. So other way around, Ashia. See, slow, slow, slow.
Look, it's out. So, and this is how we get it out, and this is how we get it out.
Ooh, look.
Okay.
Can we put these puzzle bits together now?
So I think you go in here.
Careful.
Yes, it's in.
It's in.
And you might go here. Does this go like this one?
I don't know.
No.
Okay, be careful
It's like
now.
this way.
Yeah. Yeah, careful.
There, it's
Careful.
sticked up together.
Is
Mom,
it?
I want
Okay, I think we need this one. Henry's long nose. Where does that go? The black one?
I need this part instead.
Oh.
The nose will go here.
Ooh.
Oh, I don't you fit.
Okay, let me try. Okay, can you put Henry a bit on this side, please? Hello, Henry. And hold.
Holding.
Don't sneeze, Henry.
Achoo.
Again.
Achoo.
Don't sneeze.
Achoo.
Okay, one moment. Okay, let's put Henry on this side so Henry doesn't move. Quite.
I'm gonna slurp you.
Oh, look at this cutie.
Guys, look. This is cleaning up, but we have to clean it too. So we can open it. Like
How do you know this that we can open it? Where did you see?
here.
Ah, so yes. Well,
Cleaning your machine.
So we need to. The machine
Checking
helps
the
us keeping.
Side guys.
Yeah, let's see.
Mom, where is that?
Careful, it's too heavy.
Yeah, that is.
Oh, wow. Look at this. So inside this vacuum machine, there's a, why is the basket like a thing? Yeah, 2. And then
And
it's
this-
already
And this is
a
for
vacuum bag.
collecting
All
rubbish.
the dirt.
And here's an extra one, guys.
Yeah, we've got an extra one
In case.
in case this is full. Once the bag is full, what do we need to do? We need to separate this thing, and then we can chuck the whole bag into the bin and replace it when it's full.
But Mom, when this one gets dirty,
And if this one gets dirty, then we've got to set a new bag. So for
we
this
don't
one,
have.
we do have, ta-da, Henry bags full.
Guys, do you want to see a surprise?
Yes, please.
Ta-da! There's 3 more.
Oh, there are different types of
So
Henry
we got
bags.
the Henry today, and the pink one is a girl, and her name is Hetty. Green one is Harry. There's a pop in this one.
Ooh, there are different types of Henry
And
vacuums.
it's not Henry, Mom.
Oh, they have different names, of course. Maybe there is their siblings.
And the yellow one is James.
Yeah,
there's
they're all
3.
cute.
So 3 brothers, 1 sister.
Wow, yeah, they're all cute though.
Look at me.
As-
I am a girl.
Where are you? Ah!
Ready,
So,
guys?
now
we
we need to
our
set
handy
this.
scissors.
Yes, and again, what do we need to tell our friends to be?
Be careful with the scissors, guys.
Oh, brush. Yeah, that's for different types of brush, not to clean our faces, but
Well, it's not dirty.
our home and different areas in our household. What else? We've got another tube kind of thing, but that's also for cleaning,
Oh,
not to put in our mouth, right?
sorry, guys. Oh, come on, open. Yeah, Mama.
What's in the, oh, there
Oh,
are
that's
different
what we
things.
were looking
Yeah, I
for.
think that's what we're gonna set up into here this
one
time.
last thing. Oh my!
It's another brush. That's
It's
lovely.
like combing our
Oh, not to comb our hair like
Yeah,
Ashia is suggesting, but it's to clean our house. Supershiya can sometimes be very silly, as you know. So she sometimes wants to be a little extra creative, thinking that we might be able to comb our hair with this. But is it
this
really for
one's fun.
combing? You could try.
feels
Ooh.
comfortable.
It feels comfortable, guys, but don't do this with the dirty ones. This is Supershiya is currently doing this because it's very, very new, as the brushes have never
A sticker.
been used before. As you can see, they're very clean, brand new, and that's why she's putting and trying and exploring.
Guys,
Shall we set this vacuum up now and show how Supershiya
we
can
put
clean her home and house?
it's
Okay,
taking me.
let's see what we can do. I think I will help Supershiya a little bit how to do it. One moment, we need to see the manual book first. Here it will tell us how to.
We need that.
You
It's
see,
here.
this brush is for this
Ah,
one.
I get
Look at
it.
this.
So that way is bigger than it, right?
Are you able to set it?
I
Be
think
careful. Careful. There you
Is that
go.
all?
Wow. See, she's really a super girl. She did it all on her own. All right. So,
Guys, it's so
what
much
else
work
is
now.
this saying? How there's another little bit here that needs to be.
We don't even have that.
We do. Yeah.
Ah, la la la.
Okay, let's set it up, please.
Here. Look, guys, I have an elephant.
Okay, let's tell your friends, because these are not to be put on our nose or on our mouth if they're used, of course. So I request everybody not to put it in your mouth or nose, because they will be very dirty. Since this is brand new and Arshia is still opening the package, she's being a bit silly. But we should not be putting it on our mouth.
Don't even smell this.
So there's one big thing that needs to be open, Miss Lady.
Where's my scissors?
So let's put it on the side here.
Dee-dee-doo-dee-doo.
And again, be careful with the cutting. Don't rush. because otherwise you could cut yourself or hurt yourself.
Oh my fire. Guys, look, it can spin. Oh my gosh. Guys, look.
Yeah.
Okay, look. So where do we put this? So that's...
So this one needs to
It's the
go-
blendy ones.
bendy ones. Not blendy, but bendy.
This. It sticks together.
Let me see the big picture. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's... guys, look. I am
It's
the
a tall
tower.
one. Yeah.
It's almost reaching the ceiling, guys. So we have a little bit more. So this is how it's gone. Oh, it's like, guys, look, it's
Oh, yeah. It touches the
oh my gosh.
ceiling and
This is the last one. Yeah.
yeah. Careful with your hands. And we need our parents to
There, it's done, Mom.
stick. Is it done?
And
Okay.
guys, if you want to
What are these for?
clean small stuff like this inside the sofa.
Ah,
So this one is so Mom, which way do we
Yeah,
use it?
this
This way?
yeah, but we need to set it here. Yeah.
We use it like
Oh, yeah.
oh my god.
Yes.
So we stick it there and then
We use this one for, yeah, like bigger surfaces. Follow.
So guys, I'll show you how to use it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom. Guys, my mom said I can use it for you.
And let's test it then, okay?
Yeah, with
Okay.
a kid. Let's test it with a kid. Oh, and my mom is taking a video. Ready? Mom, which one do we stick it in? That one
So
or that
you
one?
want to take this plug out first, and then you need to take this all out slowly. Okay, and then with the electricity here, and then
And
you see the red button here, Shia.
yeah,
Yeah,
that's how we start, right?
yeah, and then there's a button here to start the machine.
Like this.
Yeah, not that one,
First.
the green one.
Ah, it's working.
So I'm just gonna do vacuuming here and hold.
Mom, let's go.
You don't lift it. You don't lift it. Yeah.
I am not.
There's a cute little hand.
Guys, Henry is nice to clean within the house, the whole area. So now, back in the house later, after my have my nails, and then I'm gonna learn with my mom how to vacuum the whole house on my own.
Slowly, slowly though. Yeah. But first we'll start with Arshia's play area. That needs to be cleaned by Arshia.
Oh, it's clean over.
Oh yeah, she's a good girl. She keeps it clean. So we need to.
And guys, I'm gonna.
Oh. All right. That was everything for today.
Bye bye.
Bye. That's it. Bye, cutie. It was lovely using you. There's Arshia. Bye.